Hi, I'm Laurie Hess. I'm a bird and exotic animal veterinarian and owner of the Veterinary Center for Birds and Exotics here in New York. I'm here with my veterinary assistant, Brianna, and we're here to tell you a little bit more about when it's important to take your bird to the vet. What are the signs you want to look for? Unfortunately, too many people wait until their birds are really sick to bring them to the vet. They don't bring them in for regular preventative medical care as you should, even as you do your dog or cat. And this is something that we really want people to realize, that birds need preventative care, and certainly if you notice there's something wrong with your bird, you should not wait to call your veterinarian. Birds are prey animals and they're very good at hiding all of their signs. They will hide their signs until they're really sick and until they're not able to hide those clinical signs anymore. So things you want to look for in your bird would be obviously if they fluff up, they're trying to trap warm air between their feathers and their bodies because they're sick. If they're very lethargic, if they're not animated like this beautiful Quaker bird here. I mean, obviously this bird is very excited and loves being pet and is very interactive. A bird that's not feeling well will sit and be very quiet, sometimes too docile if they're really animated, not want to eat, maybe passes abnormal stool, if there's a stool that has a lot of water in it, or that the form stool, the brown-green part is very watery. If the bird is having trouble breathing, certainly if it's breathing with his mouth open, that would be a problem sign. Lots of sneezing or coughing, holding a leg up, being lame, just not feeling well overall, and just kind of looking out of it and not excited and not attentive to the surroundings. Certainly bloody droppings are another sign. If any kind of straining, birds will actually lay eggs. Females will lay eggs. Very commonly we see that in cockatiels. And if they become egg-bound, meaning an egg is stuck inside and they can't pass it out, they'll strain, sometimes pass bloody stool. And sometimes even they'll have the reproductive tract sticking out of their vent. So you can see some red tissue protruding in that area. If their wings are droopy, if they're picking on their feathers and really pulling their feathers out, or worse yet, even in self-inflicting wounds on their skin, often over their chest area, that's a sign that there's a problem. All of these things can mean that there's something going on with your bird. And while it's great to go on the internet and seek out advice and everyone wants to check out what's going on, there's really no substitute for a good physical examination by a trained veterinarian. So if you see any of these signs in your pet, please call your vet, and better yet, go for regular checkups so that you know in advance what's specific to your animal that you should be looking for if he or she becomes sick. You want to have a happy, healthy bird like this little one here, and the best way to do it is with preventative medical care.